Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PayPal Business for subscription payments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal website. If you already have a personal account, log in. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button at the top right. Choose business account when prompted for account type. Click continue to proceed. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Fill in the necessary business information, such as your business name and type. Provide details regarding your business address and contact information. Select a specific business category that fits your offerings. Complete the required fields about your business's financial details. Review the information you provided to ensure it is accurate. Once confirmed, click on the Agree and Create Account button. You may be asked to verify your identity via a verification email. Check your email and click the verification link provided by PayPal. Once verified, log in to your new PayPal business account. Now, click on Tools in the top menu, then select All Tools. Find and click on PayPal buttons to set up subscription payments. Choose the option for creating a Buy Now button. Fill out the required information for your subscription plan. Specify your subscription price, billing cycle, and duration. You can also customize various options, such as button appearance and return URL. Once finished, click Create button to generate the HTML code. Copy the generated code provided by PayPal. Now, go to your website or platform where you want to host the subscription button. Paste the HTML code into the appropriate location on your website. Save the changes made to your site. Preview your website to ensure the button appears as intended. Now your PayPal business account is set up for subscription payments. Congratulations on completing the setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.